Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password on Western Union's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your password on Western Union's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in westernunion.com and make a search. The official page of your Western Union's account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page and tap on Login. You will end up on the login page of your Western Union's account. Now to reset your password on Western Union, tap on Forgot Password option. On the next page, enter your email address associated with your Western Union's account and tap on Send Email. A reset password link will be sent to your email address. Open your email and tap on Mail sent by Western Union. Now all you need to do is create a new password for your Western Union's account and confirm your password by re-entering it, then tap on Reset Password option. Click on Show option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can reset your password on Western Union's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.